Hi everyone, I'm Ivanka, professional organizer, Master KonMari consultant, and owner of The Tiny Moose. Today, I've invited you into my closet to talk about the KonMari method and what sparks joy in your life. So let's get started. So step number 1 is to empty out all of your clothing from your closet, from your dresser, from your car, from under the bed, wherever you have clothes, empty them out and put them on the bed. Then you're gonna ask yourself, what sparks joy? What does that mean? It means when you pick up an item, you either feel a sense of joy or you don't. If you don't, out it goes to be donated or passed on to someone who needs it more than you. Okay, so now that we've decided which items spark joy, let's talk storage. When it comes to the closet, the things we want to hang are things like this with collars, blazers that are heavier material and harder to fold, items that are lighter and they flow in the wind, and longer items such as dresses and long pants. The rest, we're gonna fold. Now, I use a dresser for most of my folding, but there is storage here, so I've created makeshift drawers by using bins. And then I use the KonMari fold, it maximizes space, and we're good to go. Okay, so how do we get this magical fold? I will show you. Give your item a shake. Put the front down, and you're going to, with your hands, pass your energy through the item, getting out all the wrinkles. And then you're going to imagine that there's an invisible line just past the collar. You're going to fold it in like so, then fold in the sleeve. Same on the other side. Fold it in like that. Now you've got both of those. You're going to fold it in half. And then you're going to fold it in thirds. So I put my hand in the middle, that's how I know. I fold it once, then twice. Then you've got the image, so you always know which shirt is which. And then you can pop it right on in there, which is great. Now socks. These are my favorite thing to fold because people want to do this. Don't do this, please. Because what happens is that it stretches out the elastic. So what we like to do is fold them so that you get this and you can see which socks are which. So buddy them up, lay them flat. For longer socks like this, I like to fold them in half and then in half like that. So that's how I do the thirds, or you could do it just like I did with the shirt. So 1 and 2. In this case, I would probably fold it one more time to make sure it's the same length, and then that pops in and you can see all of your socks. Now pants. I love folding pants. What you're gonna do is you're gonna hold it front towards you, fold it in half. I always say put the butt part to the left, lay it down. You're gonna tuck in this tiny little part here because you don't want that sticking out. You're gonna fold it in half like you did the shirt. I then flip it over so that you can always see which pair of pants you've got. And then you're just gonna do the thirds again, 1 and 2. So then when it's in the drawer, you'll see which pair of pants you've got going there. So these are for all the pants that you don't hang. Okay, so there is no right amount of what you should keep, what you should get rid of. It's whatever works for you and sparks joy for you personally. All right, that's it for me. Thanks for stopping by and happy folding, everyone.